everyone, welcome back to your channel MomGudy Days. And if you're someone who is frustrated, irritated because of the hard water scaling and the salt deposit that's happening in your dream kitchen and dream bathroom, you are on the right video, because I have come up with a solution for all these problems. And no, I'm not talking about those DIYs of baking soda, vinegar. No, this is a whole new wonder product and you are gonna love the after effects. So let's get started. In my home we have this problem everywhere in every single tap, and I was always in search of such product which will help me remove this hard water scaling, and I could not find one. And one fine day, one of my friends, she told me about this product, and I was like, wow, okay, let me give it a try. And I bought it, and with one clean swipe, I was amazed at the brilliant job this particular product did. And the product which I'm talking about is a spick and span from the brand called MomGudy. This is a wonder product, I'll tell you guys. It's so very good. It's going to leave your tap super clean, spick and span, and shinier than how it was before. And if it's a stubborn dirt, yeah, you'll have to just leave it for a little more time and try scrubbing it. You will be amazed at the result. I'm going to show you the before and the after pictures of this one, like how beautifully it did change. And I'm going to show you like how I actually use it on one of the taps, and you're going to see the results. And I'm going to show you like how much time did I exactly leave it and how did I work on this one. This is how the tap looks right now. Let's have a closer look too. So that's how the deposits are. So let's see, what is this gonna do? So let's begin. It's better to wear gloves since I have super sensitive skin. I have to wear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little drop of this on this cloth. You can use a sponge or a cloth. Like a very little here, and then I'll show you with one swipe how beautiful it's gonna make it look. Did you see that? Did you see the shine over here? Look at that. So since the deposit is more over here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little of this one and I'm going to put this on the entire surface and leave it for some time, and let's see how it goes. So I'm just going to put it all over here and just leave it for some time so that it does the job. I'll be back after like 5 minutes or so, and then let's see how we can do that. So now that I've left for around 10 minutes, so let's see how it goes now. So as and when I start scrubbing it more, it's getting better and better. This is definitely a very hard deposit, so I think it will take another 3 to 4 times I have to do it, and I think that will help it. But otherwise I'm pretty happy with the results of this one. Closer look how beautifully this is cleaned. Now this is another tap in the bathroom. And the shine is back, you guys. Yeah! So this is one product, which can be used even on the showers, ceramic tiles, wash basins, bathtubs, plastic mugs and buckets as well. So give it a try, and definitely you're going to enjoy the experience with this one. If you ask me, like, with this product going to do this permanently, like, does it prevent the hard water scaling that would happen in the future? No, it wouldn't. It definitely leaves your tap 10 times better than how it was before. But as and when the hard water falls, or the salt deposits, then you can definitely give it a deep clean once in 2 months or once in 3 months, based on the deposit that would happen, which is, I think, is absolutely fantastic. Like how you clean your toilets, like the as and when it gets dirtier, as you can go ahead and clean it. That way you can definitely use it. You can also use it on the mirror as well. Another thing I would like to mention here is that not use it on marble, mosaic, granite, natural stone or brass. You get this product of 250 ml for just 135 rupees. Now, wasn't that a super duper product? I told you, right? You are welcome. I know you're thanking me out there for this particular product. You cannot get this in Amazon or any other online. They have a separate website for this one, so I'll mention that in the description section. Go ahead. And yes, there's one more thing, like you can use one code which I've mentioned, so that you get, I think, 15% discount. So go enjoy and use it in your home, and do let me know like how it worked for you guys. I am super excited to know like how it worked for you guys and see the results out there. So having said that, I will definitely be back with such amazing content, so stay tuned for that. And before I leave, as I always say, cherish every moment of your motherhood. Take care. See you.